In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your Bethesda Launcher account to Steam. First, open a web browser and sign into your Bethesda.net account. This is the same account you used with the Bethesda Launcher. Make sure you're logging into the correct account you want to transfer from, because everything you move will be tied to that profile going forward. Once you're signed in, head to Account Management and then find the Link Accounts section. This is where you connect your Bethesda account to other platforms. Take a second to confirm you're in the right place. You should see options to link various services. Now, add Steam as a link account. When prompted, you'll be redirected to Steam's sign-in window to authorize the link. Use the Steam account where you want your games to land. Double-check that this is the right Steam profile, especially if you have more than one. Authorize the connection and wait for the confirmation that your accounts are now linked. Next, go to the Transfer Library page on Bethesda.net. This page appears after linking Steam and is specifically designed for moving your library. If you don't see it right away, look within your account area for the transfer option. It's typically highlighted once a Steam link is detected. On the Transfer Library page, confirm the Steam account shown is the one you intend to use. Then select Start Steam Transfer. You'll be asked to verify by choosing Yes, transfer to this account. This action begins the process of granting the eligible titles from your Bethesda account to your Steam library. It doesn't remove your Bethesda account, it simply adds your games to Steam. Now, wait for the transfer to complete. The time this takes depends on the size of your library and server load, so don't worry if it's not instantaneous. You may be prompted to close the page once the process finishes. After that, open Steam and check your library. If Steam was already running, you might need to refresh your library or restart the client to see new titles appear. Once visible, you can install your games from Steam like you normally would. Keep in mind that mods and custom configurations may need to be set up again within Steam's environment, and some items might become available in batches as the transfer finalizes. That's the full process from start to finish. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.